People build muscles, people build mental strength, people build large castles, people create a lot of wealth. But all these strengths, which may outwardly help you, cannot stand the tests of life. The biggest thing which life demands from you is the expansion of your heart. Expansion of your heart to include all the living creatures around you, even accepting the dance of this universe, which may at times may not go the way you wish.